Hi, besties. Welcome to Princess Design Academy. Today Queen Elsa has a grand winter ball to attend. She has her makeup ready, but she needs a beautiful, magical makeup bag to carry everything.
Let the colors spin from royal.
Right now, it's completely blank. Can we use our creative drawing and magic coloring skills to design the ultimate frozen makeup bag? Give me a big high five through the screen if you love Disney princesses and sparkly accessories. Let's start sketching. Blue. Pink. Orange. Yellow. Green. Gray. White. Sparkle. Elsa is completely ready and looks absolutely breathtaking. Besties, thank you for being such amazing royal designers today. Now, I need your important vote. What was your favorite color on Elsa's makeup bag? The brilliant frozen blue or the vibrant magenta pink? Don't leave our fashion studio just yet. Click on the next video right now to discover more magical princess art stories. See you there. Bye bye.